National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ross County, southeastern Pickaway County, western Hocking County, southern Fairfield County until 10 p.m. At 9:21 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Andersonville, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Kingston, Circleville, Lancaster. In addition, State Route 138 at U.S. Route 22, Logan Elm Village, Hallsville, Weisler, Adelphi, A.W. Marion State Park, Laurelville and Tarleton are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.